Most people hear about Rakuten and instantly think it sounds too good to be true. A website paying you cash back just for shopping online? That's exactly why so many people ask the same question. Is Rakuten actually legit? Or is it another scam app wasting your time? Here's the truth no one tells you. Rakuten is real, but most users either misunderstand how it works or expect way too much from it. In this video, I'll give you an honest Rakuten review for 2026. Explain how the platform actually makes money, how much users realistically earn, and the biggest mistakes you should avoid before signing up. Let's get straight into it. Rakuten is a cashback platform that partners with thousands of online stores. When you shop through Rakuten links, stores pay Rakuten a commission for referring customers. Rakuten then shares part of that commission back with you as cashback. That's the business model. And yes, people really do get paid. For example, Alex wanted to buy running shoes online. Instead of going directly to the Nike website, he opened Rakuten first, clicked the cashback link, and earned a percentage of his purchase back. The shopping experience stayed exactly the same. The only difference was he earned cashback afterward. Now here's where it gets interesting. Rakuten works best for people already shopping online regularly. If you rarely buy anything online, the app won't feel very valuable. But if you shop often on Amazon alternatives, Walmart, Macy's, Best Buy, or travel websites, cashback can slowly add up over time. But here's the problem. Many YouTubers exaggerate earnings. Rakuten is not passive income, and it won't make you rich. Most users save small to moderate amounts consistently, rather than earning huge payouts overnight. This is where most people fail. They forget to activate cashback before checkout. Jake bought a laptop expecting cashback later, but he never clicked through Rakuten first, so the purchase didn't qualify. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest feature most users completely ignore. Before that, let's talk about payouts. Rakuten usually pays users through PayPal or physical check every few months after purchases are confirmed. This delay sometimes confuses new users, but it's normal, because stores need time to verify returns and completed orders. Another important thing is cashback exclusions. Certain products, coupon codes or store categories may not qualify. Always check the terms before buying expensive items. Now the underrated feature. Rakuten's browser extension. This is honestly one of the easiest ways to maximize cashback, because it automatically reminds you when cashback is available on a store website. John installed the extension once and stopped missing rewards entirely. So, is Rakuten legit in 2026? Yes. It's a real cashback platform with millions of users and years of history. But the key is realistic expectations. Rakuten works best as a savings tool, not an income source. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe and comment below with the biggest